Hey!
Kamusta yung ride? Biglang lang dito.
Okay lang. Hinahanap ka rin yun. Dayo, bukakuan, dual.
See? Come on. Come on, not yet.
Or so pagod.
Here's the... We're still gonna go there later on. No! We have to walk.
No.
Oh, no, no, no. Your foot.
My foot is big coconut there. How are we going to go?
No, Tio. We're gonna go there later on. The top of the mountain.
Wow.
Then we're gonna go to the...
Can we eat everything?
Careful! What's for the dog, Tio?
Why?
Hmm? They're gonna bite you.
Mama, dito ako. Sabi Bin. I snapped on my arm. Oh no!
Go that way. Go that way. Go that way.
Why is it
Go straight, Tio.
Saan lang budong?
Tio. Careful, huh? When you walk.
Oh, ang dami dito. Oh my God! Chill!
That's okay.
The bats on a bus go. The chicken, no?
Keep going. Keep going.
You first, bro. There's a spider. There's a spider, bro. Dito. Yung bundok.
Huh? Ambot.
Wow!
There's a spring water there. Watch your step.
You go down. First step. Wait, don't go down to me. Let's go here. Let's go. Straight.
Go straight. Karnite. Picture kay sige kud og kuan. Cellphone og kuan.
Mama, straight.
Ihangak na ko bing.
Ha?
Mahulog mo ha?
Ang saya.
You know what is this?
Kakao na ko.
This is cacao.
Coco!
Coco.
Kakao.
Hey, wait. You wanna eat? Huh?
Yes,
Ito yung ginagawa sa chokorado.
Alam
This is
ko.
the coco.
That's yung
This is the one that they make for the chocolate.
I know.
Okay, I'll take a one. Tio.
Kaya. Bro, no.
Tio, get the yellow one. Get the yellow one.
Why?
Cacao. Just get the yellow one.
Why?
No, just grab the yellow one.
Why?
Just go grab it.
Why is his hand so big?
Oh, like this one. Okay.
Oh, that one. Hinog na po ba yan?
Mm.
Is dead? Uwi ko.
No. No. Hold it.
The bops on the
Okay.
bus go Hawk too.
Okay. Watch me. Watch me. Watch me. Okay. Here's the cacao. Sean, out of the way. Out.
It is really
Then open it. Open the cacao.
gross.
Oh, this is. Taste it. Taste it. Ay, come on, taste it.
Ito.
No.
Ito po yung panganay.
Oh, no. Taste it. Smash it in there. Slowly. Slow. Come on.
Smash it.
Okay.
Let me do. No, bro, I can do it. It's almost done.
Smash it.
You're weak.
Okay. Get the other one.
My hand hurts.
Open. Okay. Taste it.
Where did? Does he milk?
Taste it like that. Taste it. Theo, taste it. Oh.
There's mud in my hands. Do you not see my hands?
Mm.
Why does it taste?
Yeah.
That's good.
Okay. That's the one. Daot nga one.
It's like that. Huwag tumakbo.
There's more stairs down here.
Come on, keep going. Oh, what happened? Get your help. Okay, go. There's some mosquitoes.
That's a cocoa.
Oh, cacao. At least na siya ikuan. Gawa ni tablet. Be careful.
Ano rin si Anthony, tao ito silang balan.
Asa siya?
Itaw-taw lagi sa ilang resort.
Ate, malapit na ba? Oo, malapit na.
Pwede pa. Okay. Good.
Ito yung tinatawag natin na lawaan.
Saan yung lawaan?
Ito. Dito is Dipterocarpus grandifloros. Ang kanyang common name ay apitong. Apitong. Okay. Ito, isa sa hardest wood sa Pilipinas. Ito yung tugas or molabe. Vitex parviflora. There are 3 climbing. Tatlo sila. Limuran, palasan, tumalim. Ito yung palasan. The biggest climbing palm in the world. Not Philippines, world. Alamos, Merili ay. I-record nyo.
Oh, yan.
I-record, naka-video. Sorry I'm not promoting myself. I was awarded as the most outstanding regional forester of 2024 in Cagayan de Oro City. Bago lang. Out of 21 forester.
Bulaklak? Ano ba? Asa o?
Di man po na mutubo dito sa Manila.
Ah, di ay?
Mambugnaw ro na nga dapit.
So dapat dito mag-picture kayo dyan. Para meron kayong souvenir. Tallest. Biggest bamboo in the Philippines.
Bebe, ako yung picture. Okay. Don't move. Okay.
Wala mo ko i-bill yun?
Wala.
I have planted 356 seeds. Ito. Take note of that. Yeah, until there.
Ibang klase to. Ibang klase na kawayan.
Dati ito walang to. Yes, pero nung nataniman ko ng kahoy na babaw, ito ngayon lobas ang tubig. Kaya plano ko pa dyan, maglagay pa ako dyan ng isang reservoir. Merong 2 reservoir sa taas.
Hindi ikaw nagtanom anak tanan?
Ma'am?
Ikaw tanan nga tanong?
Yes, for 40 years.
Grabe, no?
Mainom na, no?
Yung
Col.
doon sa baba, mainom yung nandun. Pero makikita nyo doon sa baba. Matamis. Lupig pang water Davao City water district. Swimming pool. Hanggang dito, malalim hanggang lieg.
Oh, ganun.
Kung upo ka. Kung nakaupo ka hanggang leeg.
Diyan.
Kaya, yan, may kumpleto. Para meron ako remembrance sa inyo. Sige na.
Kayo, mas mahirap to.
Kunti lang, hanggang dyan lang.
Oo.
Pagkatapos doon, wala nang hinto.
Ala na ito.
Hindi, dahan-dahan pa rin.
Akala ko. Mahirap to.
Mas madri kakao.
That is Madre de Cacao.
Oo.
Melissidia Sitium. This is the national tree. Nara.
Where's the Nara? Oh, that one.
This Nara.
Oo.
Kailan ko mo talapin? Tio, bring the durian.
Puyat variety.
Parang marang ni.
Marang, mahulog. Kinakain ng black. Oh,
Black Panther.
black. Dulas? Sadya yan kasi maraming magnanakaw.
Keep going, keep going. Keep going. We're harvesting cacao. Show me your cacao. Tio.
Adventure talaga tayo ngayon.
Yung pass this way. Turn right dito tayo.
Where?
Here.
Ah, okay. There.
Ano na nangagi? Embrace the tree of life.
Embrace the tree.
That is,
Come on, try Tio.
that is the Dito Tower.
Yeah, exactly. It's older than you.
Yeah, did you see the other bird
Wala.
that was fighting it? There's another bird. There's another bird trying to kill it. No, igil, but they not.
Igol, igol. In Tagalog, lugi.
Dua, oh.
Ah, duha gid.
Philippine eagle.
Philippine eagle. Yeah, there's a bird trying to kill the other one. That wasn't a Philippine eagle.
Video, wag picture.
Zoom into it. That is zoom pa. Pure mint.
Yeah, it's a pure mint.
It's mint. It's pure mint.
Ito yung Vitex Garden.
I love this.
You can, wag mo yung tanggalin yung sapatos nyo, you just come in.
No, 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 no.
Ito yung Vitex Garden.
Where's Tio?
Vitex kasi, Vitex is Walabi.
Oh,
Walabi house.
Tio. I used to live this kind of house before, Nak. Huh? I used to live. I still remember my old
Yes. Pwede na ito din magtulog-tulog.
Kama.
Real pure mint. It's pure mint.
Yes.
Nice place.
Bring back the old memories, Lin.
Yeah.
Subukid sa una.
You didn't take a bite.
Overlooking ka ng Davao City. You have all the light. Sula.
Hanap ko, tagbaba na sa baba na kami. Saan ka ba galing? Iniwan ako ni Kuya dito sa tapat.
Nakita niya, nandoon na kayo lahat. Nakalimutan din niya si Daddy. Nakita kami kay Daddy.
Eh, over there, Tio. Right there. Nak, Tio. Right there. Oh, this one. Makahiya.
Hindi mo to.
Makahiya.
Yeah, this one.
Sana. Ano mo lang?